Hello kids! Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Today, we are going to learn easy two-letter words. Are you ready? Yes? Let's go! Our first word is am. Say it with me, am. I am happy. Yay! The next word is an. Say it, n. I see an apple. Here is the word at. Repeat, at. The cat is at the mat. This word is be. Say, be. Always be kind. The word is go. Repeat, go. Let's go play. This word is he. Say it, he. He is my friend. Look, the word is in. Say, in. The ball is in the box. Our next word, it. Say, it. It is red. This word is me. Repeat, me. This is me. The word is my. Say, my. This is my toy. This word is no. Repeat, no. No means stop. The word is on. Say, on. The light is on. The word is so. Repeat, so. This is so fun. Our word is to. Say, to. Let's go to school. Great job, kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye-bye.